And good morning, everybody. I'm not sure exactly what's happening today, but we are currently headed to the beach. It's been like well over 100 degrees. Oh, there goes Heather. Almost missed my ride. Hi, everybody. Cool little coffee shop that Heather told us about a couple times. They got waters and teas and coffees and stuff like that. We came for a little coffee. Everyone smile. We're on camera.
Yeah, we are.
Alright, gonna be checking out the roasting water. They come in these cool little plastic water bottle containers. We're starting to build a nice little collection at home.
You should taste this one.
What's this one?
What is the piece? Oh, I do. That is just a black coffee. With some sort of sweetener.
Wow.
It's obviously sweet.
That's amazing. That was just a straight up black coffee. That looks good with all the chocolate in it. I went with the double espresso, mocha frap something or other. Woo! I mean, I can definitely taste the espresso. It's good though. This is really good.
Look at among the flowers, there's a wolf.
Mmm. I didn't even notice that.
Love it?
That's pretty cool. Just south of Anaheim, or just wherever from Anaheim. Where are we? Just south, right?
Yeah, it's south.
Yeah. If you guys are ever in the area right over there, go check out that roasting water.
There's also one at Long Beach Town Center.
Long Beach? Come on, let's check this out. Skating at the beach, man. Welcome to California. The pigeons and the squirrels are just hanging out here at the beach. How would you even know how fast you're going?
You're right.
Oh no! It's a big ass cliff. That is far, man. If you were to fall right now, that is a far fall. That was fun. Nice little detour at a good site. That was a good stop. I didn't realize that cliff was gonna be there, but it worked out perfect. I don't think we were supposed to be on the cliff either, but we were almost back to the car. It was a nice little ride along this bike path here. Not bad.
Well, we're almost there, right? In our car.
Yeah. And we are at downtown Disney.
Where you got the keys from? Yes. Yeah.
This is just tripod?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Does not extend. All right, guys, we made it into downtown Disney. Security is completely against selfie sticks for safety reasons. So, like, you don't smack people in the face with this. But was able to get the Gorilla Pod in no trouble. Check out this Lego display.
I want to touch it.
Yeah. Touch it. Is it just actual Legos? Oh, it's Beauty and the Beast. Okay. All right, when we get home, I want you to make that.
It doesn't even fit in my room. Look at even the spirals and the block and the candle dude.
Oh yeah, that whole wall's Legos, huh? Looks like they taped it up. Is there tape on that or something? No. It's just Legos are falling apart. I know we just had coffee, but Starbucks always smells amazing. High five. Oh, good high five. Look, it stays there, and then we get the Legos. Yeah, here's Legos. He's eating shit all over the place.
You can't see past anybody's butt.
No,
He's just butt level.
We're at this Italian restaurant in downtown Disney called Naples. We just got pizza. I just ordered a beer. I went with the Sam Adams, and that's completely against my diet. And then they come and look at this amazing bread tray. Is it good coffee?
It smells delicious. This bread is like, oh my
No, I zoomed in right on the perfect pour. Well done, well done. Oh, all right. Coffee review incoming. Oh.
That's just one sugar packet.
Ooh. I give that a good 4.
One sugar packet. Wait, is it my dinosaur?
Look how fast.
It's for you. Oh, okay. Wow. That is what dinosaurs say.
Notice the recommended donation amount is being worn in plain sight. Good job, I like it. Subtle. But yes, here we go.
This is the coolest dinosaur.
I know. Here's more cheese on the side if you want it. Okay.
How much did we
You don't
eat
have
before
to
you
use
get
it.
footage of it?
I feel like this is one of those places that you should like eat your pizza with a fork, but who eats pizza with a fork? Not me. All right, this cart is almost full. I'm in big trouble right now. So the next time that you see me, I'm gonna be home. I left my other card. I brought my other battery, but I left my other card. I left my other card on the computer, so that's not gonna work well. So we'll get whatever the next 3 minutes holds, and then we're done. Real quick before we leave, just 2 minutes remaining. Countdown is on. Here's my Naples review. Fine dining inside, like real fancy. Had a nice bar situation. Full list of red and white wines and some fancy ass drinks. We sat out on the back patio. It was nice cool breeze. Real cool seeing everything. This is downtown Disney happening behind us. We had pizza, a bottle of Sam Adams. So the pizza review itself is going to be, the crust was overdone. It was a tad tender, tad complicated to bite through, but it was still good. It was tasty. There was a ton of cheese on it, so it made it real cheesy. I dig it. And like, you can never have enough cheese. Tons of cheese.
Where's the bathroom? Are you showing off your boo-boo?
Show me your boo-boo.
Great.
You're tough, dude. Oh yeah. Look at mom.
We ride hard.
It is so nice to be home. It is super important to me to spend time with the people that I care about. Now it is a two-way street. You also have the struggle of finding out who also cares about you and who wants to spend their time with you. It's two different, completely separate things. But today, none of that mattered. What was right in the world, what was wrong in the world. Today was about just enjoying the moment, those moments that we live for. And this moment was all good. If you've been feeling like you need a beach day, even if you are nowhere near it, find the people that you enjoy spending your time with and just go. Go somewhere, go anywhere, just go. It'll be the best thing for you. I need to go put some aloe on. Feel like I spent a little time in the sun today. Thank you guys very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing and helping me get over 2,500 subscribers. You guys are awesome. It's really cool. Glad you guys have enjoyed the VidCon adventures. I'm happy to be home. And, hey, hope you guys enjoyed your day. I'll see you guys soon.